Harry Potter Minerva McGonagall joins my adventure team. Unboxing, review, and a repurpose. I was pretty fortunate to pick this up on eBay for a pretty good deal. I already have the Ron Weasly figure. There'll be a card up there if you want to see that video. I won't go through and read it. I mean, if you want to pause it and look at it, you can. When I got it, it wasn't sealed, but that's okay because I planned to open it up anyways. So we'll bust her out of this packaging. She comes with this hat. I don't need it. She also came with this wand thing. And I don't need that either. Her outfit's pretty impressive. I think I could use it for a fantasy build or something. Her head sculpt I liked a lot, because she looks like a very stern, older woman. She has articulation in the head, shoulders, and elbows, and wrist. And most importantly, she has swivel arms. She has some movement in the waist. She moves at the hips. Her legs could swing out, and she bends at the knees. There's no articulation in the ankle, and her ankles are slightly elevated. I mean, her heels are slightly elevated. But her boots come off pretty easily. And her feet are bigger than made-to-move Barbies. Her arms are pretty skinny. I mean, they're almost spaghetti. But we could cover those with long sleeves, and you never know. She has a flat hand on this one. We could probably make it for her tablet. Outfit comes off with the Velcro in the back. I believe her head can be removed if you want to swap it to a made-to-move Barbie head or Barbie body. And I think her arms also can be replaced. I'm not a Harry Potter fan, but I do like these figures. I think they're made pretty well. Very sturdy, meant to be played with. It's also nice to have different body shapes and head sculpts to fill out the diversity in your team. Should be very useful. I didn't have an outfit for her, so I figured I'd build one. I've been collecting patterns for a while, and when I make an outfit, I usually make a pair of pants, a t-shirt, a jacket, and a vest. And once I got all those cut out, it was just a matter of sewing them together. I've hand sewn for several years, so this wasn't anything new. I put elastic in the waistband and in the pant legs and gave her a couple pockets. The t-shirt's a recycled t-shirt of mine, and I just cut a piece out of it. This is probably one of my favorite t-shirt patterns. The jacket was a little bit hard because I've never used this pattern before, but it came together pretty well. And the vest, I really liked the way it turned out. And in the end, she ended up with several nice pieces for her outfit, which I liked. Been hand sewing for years, so sewing an outfit wasn't too far out of my normal abilities. I like the pants. I decided not to go with any side pockets. I did give her one back pocket, and then she has a loop thing here to hang stuff on. The pockets did come out a little narrow. That's okay. The t-shirt turned out really nice. I gave her a V-neck because in order to fit over her head, it has to be that way. If you're interested in this t-shirt pattern, I'll have some measurements for you. I'll have a link for you to check it out. The vest turned out pretty nice. It's the first time I used this pattern for the vest. I made this a vest that she could attach. Come on. I made this vest with a bunch of Velcro patches and loops so she could fit stuff on it. Something new I tried, the plastic canvas and these hooks. And they work really well as fasteners for the vest. I might use that in future builds. This one's actually a pocket. Some of the devices you could put Velcro on back and then stick it to things. I like this vest. I didn't give her anything on the back. So all the attachment points are on the front. Has a flashlight there. And the jacket turned out really nice. It's the first time I used this pattern. Just a random Barbie pattern. I didn't give it a collar. And it has a single Velcro pouch there. Side pockets. I still have to make the Adventure Team patch to go there. I think it turned out really nice. I turned this Harry Potter character into an Adventure Team member. I decided to name her Madison Thornhill. She will be accompanied by this gentleman, will be her husband. I think they look great together. This is Count Dooku from Star Wars. I think they make a great looking elderly couple. Will be Cawn's parents, Lundy and Madison. To finish the look, I found a shoulder harness and a web belt. I gave her a camp knife, because whoever goes out in the woods without, whoever goes on an adventure without a camp knife. She has a bag here and a canteen. I had an extra pouch on here, but it broke. Overall, I think she turned out really nice. I don't think I'm going to give her a gun. She'll rely on her husband for that kind of stuff. I like the way she turned out. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. Follow me on social media. Want to help support this channel? Become a Patreon member. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.